Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Setting a timer on your iPhone camera is a great way to take group photos and selfies without needing to rush into position. Here is how you can easily set up and use the timer feature on your iPhone camera. First, open the camera app. Next, you switch to the photo mode. Now you access the timer setting. Look for the timer icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a clock. If you don't see it immediately, tap on the arrow at the top of the screen or swipe up from the middle of the screen to review additional options. Next, choose your timer duration. Tap the timer icon and you will see options for a 3 seconds or 10 seconds timer. Select your preferred duration. You can now frame your shot and take the photo. Use the countdown to get into position. The camera will automatically take the photo once the timer runs out. And there you have it guys, using the timer feature on your iPhone camera is simple and effective for capturing perfect moments without the need for someone to hold the camera. Enjoy taking this perfectly timed shot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.